YouTube channel, Jeet Academy. This is Shubham, and in this particular video, I'll be talking about completing the square method. So I'm going to give you a very simple and one of the most elegant way of completing the square, right? So as we know, most of the students they find difficult, completing the square methods. So let's begin. So I'm going to discuss about completing the square. All right. Now, what is this concept of completing the square? As we know that a plus b whole squared, if you expand this, what you'll get basically, you'll get a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, isn't it? Now, think of it as writing like this. Can I rewrite this thing as a plus b whole squared, right, minus equal to a squared plus 2ab. All right. So basically, what I'm doing here is I'm shifting this b squared to left hand side, and therefore it becomes negative. Now we will be having this term, okay, which needs to be converted as square of something minus this. So basically a squared plus 2ab can be written as a plus b whole squared minus b squared. So I'm just rewriting this. So this form, right, this form you focus over here. So if it is x squared plus twice of px, okay, so twice of px, so a square and x, right? So a and a is present over here. So in this form, I can simply write this thing as x plus, right? See here, if this is b over here, then what do we write here? Right, the coefficient of a basically is 2b. So here we write 2b over 2, right? So this is basically 2b over 2 minus 2b over 2 whole square, isn't it? So I can simply write here x plus 2p over 2 whole squared minus 2p over 2 whole squared. Are you getting this? So this basically becomes x plus p whole squared minus p whole squared. Okay. So this is what we need to do. Now, if this thing is given to us as x squared plus px, right? So I can write this thing simply as x plus the coefficient of x you divided by 2 whole squared minus p by 2 whole squared. So this is what you need to remember for completing the square method. Okay, this is what the concept is basically, right? So this negative is outside of this. Now let's do some questions based on this. Okay, so the first question is, let's say complete the square for x squared plus 8x plus 6. Okay, so now forget about the 6, just concentrate on these two terms. So I can write it as x plus 8 divided by 2, which is 4 whole square, minus the same thing, right, whole square, and plus 6 as it is. So this simply becomes x plus 4 whole squared minus 16 plus 16, and therefore this becomes negative 10. So isn't this pretty easy, right? So I can also do this for some other question where the coefficient of x square is not 1. So let's say we have 2x squared plus 5x minus 4. I need to complete the square over here. So one thing you have to make sure that the coefficient of x square is 1. So you take 2 outside as common plus 5 over 2x minus 4 over 2. All right. Now, where do I need to concentrate? I need to concentrate only on these two terms, right? X squared plus 5 by 2x. So now you copy everything as it is. So x squared plus 5 by 2x. Now write x plus, what is 5 by 2 divided by 2? That will become 5 over 4. 5 over 2 divided by 2 is 5 over 4. Whole thing squared minus 5 over 4. 5 over 4 squared minus 2. Because negative 4 over 2 is negative 2. Right, now take this 2 inside. X plus 5 over 4 whole square minus, this becomes 25 over 16 times 2 minus 4. So this becomes 25 over 8 minus 4 and 2 times x plus 5 over 4 whole square. So this becomes super easy to do, right? You can simply solve this one. Okay, so now let me give you one question. You give it a try. x squared minus 4x minus 3. Okay, what will be the coefficient of this? So let me now once again explain you the same concept. So whenever we have x squared plus 5x, right? Instead of this b or p or phi or alpha or beta, anything is given to us, all you have to do is write it as x plus, divide the coefficient of x by 2, put it over here, whole square. Always minus is outside of bracket. Same thing, the coefficient of x, which is divided by 2, whole square. Okay, and this extra term, you write plus a as it is. No need to change that. So I hope, friends, you learned something new, and this way of completing the square is quite easy, right? Compared to the traditional method which has been taught to us. Okay, so if you enjoyed the video, do share with your friends and give it a like. Thank you.